Hey guys, that's my westin joining in on this video of my DMG and my innovation button. For today we're going to be talking about 5 bad numbers. 1. Floor 4. In Japan, Asia, Korea. In Japan, Korea, China, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia. What this means to them is bad luck, serious bad luck. What it means is, it basically means, death to them. And now, moving on to the second one, 24. So with 14, 24, unlike the 4 one, but 14, 24, 34, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, what this means in the same regions as you know about them, they mean death as well. Serious death. And we're moving on to 4. 4 is 17. 17 means a disgrace to Latin cultures like Mexico, South America. It also means to Spain, to that's what it means for them. And for the last one, there will be a bonus as well. For the last one is the infamous floor 13. Floor 13 means bad luck for them, because 13 is meant to say bad luck in American, in English, basically. And what this kind of basically means is you probably lose at the casino, or you lose playing games. That's what 13 means. But the bonus fact for today's video, well, unlucky floor numbers vary by the region that the country is in, or by the place that you probably go to. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.